Today we're going to make a pony bead Christmas tree. Here's what you need.
I'm going to go ahead and separate my silk cord, and I'm going to start with the cord on the left. So I'm first going to attach my star and place it through, and then I'm going to take the right cord and put that through the star as well. Now I'm going to pull up on the ends of both the right and left and pull it all the way to the top or the key ring. Now I'm going to add 2 green pony beads. I'm going to do the same thing, taking the right cord and placing it through the pony beads. Pulling up on both ends. In the next part, we're going to add 3 pony beads, and you have the option of adding color to your tree. So I'm going to do 1 green and 1 blue and another green. You can choose any color you wish. Now I'm going to add 4 green pony beads and do the same thing. For each one of these rows, we're placing it on the left side, and then we're taking the string or the cord on the right side, placing it through the pony beads and pulling both ends up to the very top, forming our tree. Now we're going to add 5 pony beads, and again you have the option of adding a color if you want. You don't have to if you don't want to. Now we're going to add 6 pony beads. next row, we're going to add 7 pony beads. And finally, we're going to add 8 pony beads. And again, don't forget, you can switch up the color however you choose. So we are done with the green portion of the tree, and now we're going to work on the trunk of the tree. So we're going to add 4 brown pony beads and follow the same procedure of placing 4 beads on the left and then placing the cord on the right through the pony beads and pulling up on the ends. We're going to do 2 rows of 4 brown pony beads. Sometimes you have to adjust your beads accordingly just to make them look right. So now we're going to tie off on the ends of both sides. So we're just going to make a loop and wrap it around and just tie a knot on both ends of our tree. Now we're just going to give that a cut on both sides, just trim it down some. Now it's time to stabilize the end of the cords, however that looks for you. For me, I use nail polish. So I'm going to apply my nail polish on both sides, and that's going to wrap up our pony bead Christmas tree. I hope you've enjoyed this project. If you have, share it with someone else that may like it, and I will see you at the next one.